doing something a little bit different. I want to do a swipe, but I'm going to do multiple swipes on the same base of paint instead of the stripe and the split swipe or the full swipe. I'm going to do a multiple swipe. I literally just made that up right then. So I'm not even sure how I'm going to go about this. Didn't really even choose my colours. Okay, how about we're going to go a ColourArte Bling It Indian Spice, a ColourArte Primary Elements Wine and Roses, a golden cobalt teal, and a golden brand green gold. I've got a bit of the fluid and a bit of the heavy body in there as well, just to make it the consistency that I want, which is about... So I like to have my pigment mixes a little bit thinner than my paint tube mixes, which is good because that's how they come out anyway. Don't really have a choice about that. I want it drizzling off the stick, but look, only just. You know, that last bit wants to hang onto the stick, so it's a little bit thicker than the pigment mixes, which continually run off the stick in the line. They don't really stop, like break up like that. The best way I can describe it is it does start to break off towards the end, like that. And if it's very thin, it'll just keep drizzling until there's none left, and then it will just sort of stop. Okay, so I'm going to throw that one in as well. How am I going to do this? Right, I better get cracking because I've already got my white on. I'm going to swipe like that, and then I'm just going to do it as I go because I don't really know what I'm going to do. Let's just wing it. Okay, might do a swipe like that, and then I want to line another one up here and go back that way and just see how that works. Never done it before, so why not now? Okay, so that was the wine and roses. I've got the green gold there. The Indian spice I'm going to put there, and then my cobalt teal I want to go over the top of that gold. I'm hoping to get a bit of a green out of those two mixing as well. Now what I'm going to do is try to calculate where I want to do my other one back across there now, before I swipe that one. I've got no idea if it's going to work. Looks a bit not very promising at the moment, but we'll see. Probably end up with parts that aren't great and parts that are great. So I'm just going to stick to the same colours there. And then I've just got to work out where I'm going to finish this swipe. So hopefully the cells will be around here. And then this should have been a bit more like that, because I want to sweep across the boring part at the bottom of that swipe. That is my theory. I'm going to put a little bit on the front of that blue as well. All right, let's just have a crack. Black or white on top? Should we go black just so we can see a really good, clear example of this experiment and whether it's working or not? How we like. Okay, let's go to the first one. It's a bit easier to see with the black. Oh, don't even have my thing clean. And that's not. But pretty much lost all that colour there. Okay, where's all the colour gone? That's weird. Maybe some more this time. We'll use some more black. Okay. So I'm thinking. Thinking. About just quickly doing these before I tilt it. The wine. Okay, gold, and that is somebody home. Okay, here we go. Hope for the best. Don't really know how to fix that a little bit, but anyway. Make some more cells there. I've got no idea. The middle of this is going to be just ridiculously stupid. And that's really cool. And how are we going to bring that back? Just one of those things. I think we'll ditch that part. That's really... get something cool in there. Might be able to just sort of try and use this bit here. Let's do that. Right. Once that's all sunken back in, there's some really wicked gold in this piece that I'm just eyeballing at the moment. So I'm just waiting for this little bit here. It's just coming back in underneath while I'm dropping the paint on the rest. This will be interesting to see how this stretches out. Come on. Crucial sort of what I do at this point, so I get the part I want on there. I'm going to get rid of that shitty aqua bit there. I want that to grab on there a little bit because I don't want that black on white. Okay, now I'm quite happy with this bit up the top here. The only thing is, I have to go back a little bit because, see that? That's just not cool. I can't have my edge like that. My edge has to be covered. otherwise I'll have a panic attack. Edges are very important when they're that thick over the edge. So I just want to slow that down so that it's rolling down there. Get that covered. I can touch up those little bits there, but I don't want to be trying to paint a whole edge with a paintbrush to suit those little cells there. So we want that to do it for us. Roll over like that. That should sink back down. Now we can go for it. Oh, there's something in this painting. Wonder if it's going to be able to reach the bottom and fall off there. What is it? There's something in it. Like a little... I'm sorry, I've got to just work out what that is. It's really bothering me. What is that? Is that a bubble? I don't even know what that is. I'm loving the negative space at the top of this though. It's a bit glary, sorry. I just changed my mind about the negative space like immediately. So I feel like it's a little bit purple in that area there, and I'm not sure. I won't be able to tilt that off because I'll lose the edge of that, but bloody different, I'll give it that. I think I might try another one of those multi-swipes. So I don't mind that, I think that's really quite cool. It could probably just go a teeny bit back like that. Just to push that up there a little bit. Get that composition where I want it. Oh, got a little runny bit there. It's never good. Cool. All right. Definitely want to give that another go. So that is a multi-swipe with a little bit of a bloom feature. Not bad. All right, I'll touch up this side. And we'll go again. Beautiful colours. Okay.